up, you guys? What it do, what it do, and what it do. Alright, y'all, so it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. Let me go ahead before I get into this video and introduce myself. For those of you that it's your first time here, my name is Alethea and I thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch a video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I do thank you and I appreciate you in advance. So with that being said, for those of you that have been here, you all know that I've been a BoxyCharm subscriber for a long time and I've shared boxes here and there periodically, and for the last, I think, 6 months, I've been continuously sharing my boxes. And I made a video a few months ago and I said my last BoxyCharm box, and I did not cancel my subscription. I told you all that me, my mom, and my aunt were canceling our subscriptions, right? Well, my mom went ahead and canceled hers. And I said, me and my aunt both said that we were going to cancel ours in March. Well, when March came around, my aunt wasn't ready to cancel her subscription, and unfortunately, I did end up having to cancel her subscription because she passed on March 19th, if you all recall. I'm so sorry. It's still hard. It's still hard. It's still a touchy subject. So I had said that I was going to keep BoxyCharm because I know my aunt really loved it. Because here's the thing. My aunt had that BoxyCharm box and she barely used anything in it. She would mostly give her things to me and my mom. So I was going to keep the box just for the sake of having the box because my aunt liked the box. Well, BoxyCharm has given me no choice but to go ahead and cancel the box because the boxes have been subpar. And then the choice opened up on Monday, I believe it was. And when the choice opened up, the choice never came for me. So I never got to pick. So I said, no, this is it. I'm done. I'm done. But I do have my premium box for this month and my base box for this month. So let's go ahead and get into what's in these boxes. As you all know, the premium box is the one that has the blue on the inside. This box did not come with a card, so I can't tell you guys how much these items are worth because I did not go and look it up, and I'm not going to go and look it up. But the first thing that I pull out of here is a Skin & Co. Roma Eye Concentrate. So here is an eye cream, and you all know I recently purchased an eye cream from the Sephora VIB sale. And so I have one, so I won't be using this one for a while because I'm going to finish using that one. And the one I did purchase is by Smiley. I don't think I see a change with it, but I'm still using it. So anyway, this one is Trouble Therapy, and this one is only a 0.5 ounces. So this is what it looks like, and like I said, it's a very small container. So the next thing I pull out of here is this Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, and this is by Tarte. It is just this lip balm, and I'm going to go ahead and just trash that and put this here on my vanity because I always have some type of lip balm here on my vanity to put on my lips because I don't like dry lips. And this is the one I've been using by Laneige, and it is almost out. I need another one. And then the next thing I got is this Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek, and it's in the color Flare. I don't know if I want to put this on my cheeks. This may just be something else I put on my lips. And then the next thing I pull out, and I tried this on my hand the other day and it took me 3 days to get this off. And it is the KVD, the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner. And this liner, when I tell y'all, this liner is not going anywhere. And it is in the color, what color is this in? Lolita. And I don't even know why I'm about to put this on my hand because I already know the struggle was real getting it off the other time. Because you gotta use oils. You gotta use some type of oil to get this off. Just using regular soap and water, it's not going to get that off. So I have this liner, and I am going to definitely use this, so let me put it over here. The next thing I have is this Centella 90 Ampule, and I'm not sure what this is for, but I think this is to help with spots or something in your face. That's what I'm going to assume it's for, but this is what it looks like, the little ampule. And I don't know if this is green. No, this is not green. It's just a container. And then the last thing I received from this box is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And this is how it comes. I like this packaging. Very nice. And this is what it looks like. See? So that is it for the premium box. So let's go ahead and go to the base box. I will say I am going to miss getting skincare products from them because I have gotten some good skincare products. However, I'm just so sick of the hit and miss. I've paid too much money for this. And then here is the regular box, and it's the one with the red. And so a card did come in this one, packed with gloves and love. That is cute. BoxyCharm Mother Nature box. So that's cute. So this one does have the card and shows everything that is in here and how much it's worth. The first thing, because I have it out and I did use it, I'm going to show you is the House Laboratories liquid eyeliner, and this is the case that it came in. And here is the liner itself, and I did use this tonight, and it's a felt tip liner, and I'm so glad. I needed a felt tip liner and this came right on time, so I am very grateful for that. And this liner retails for $20. The next thing I'm going to pull out of here is my choice item, and I didn't get to choose a choice item for that premium box because choice never opened up for me. So for this one, I chose the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask, and let's see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I am a big Glam Glow fan. I love their products. So I'm not going to use this right now because I have some other things that I'm using, but so I'm going to put this in my drawer. But this retails for $49. Then the next thing that is in here is this Tarte High Performance Micellar Water. So they have a micellar water by Tarte that's in here. And let's see what this is. I think this bottle is just too cute. Oh, and then it pumps. So it has a pump thing at the top. Oh yeah, this is cute. I do like this. And this retails for $18. And then the next thing, I have some lashes, and I don't even know why they sent me some lashes, but these are the Baddington Beauty Hollow 3D Silk Lashes with Mini Glue. So here's the box, and here are the lashes. The last time I got lashes like these, I gave them away, but I am going to use these since I am going out of my comfort zone and using some other things. So I am going to use these lashes. And then the last thing that came in here is this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. This right here I'm not going to use. It's going to go in my giveaway bag. So that is it for this, and the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, according to this, retails for $22. So I'm not going to add all that up. I'm just not. And my variation is box 10. So yeah, that is it for this one. So yeah, this is my last BoxyCharm box. I canceled all 3 of them on Monday. So yes, I am canceled. If I decide to revisit them later in the year, then I may, but right now I'm done with them. So yeah, this will be the last BoxyCharm unboxing for my channel, at least for a while, or permanently. I never know. So with that being said, did you already hit the subscribe button? I hope you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I do appreciate you coming to watch another video here on my channel. Go ahead, like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And as I always say, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.